Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to register an account with DataKasa.net platform. Okay, so as I said in my previous video, DataKasa is a platform that you can get cheap and affordable internet data to buy in Ghana here. Okay, so in this video I'll show you guys how to register an account so that you can start buying cheap data with this platform. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's go to our browser. Okay, I'm using Safari, so I'll just open my Safari and search for the platform DataKasa.net. Okay, so this is the homepage of the platform. DataKasa is your number one platform, your number one data platform in Ghana. Okay, your trusted hub for fast and affordable internet data here in Ghana. They provide instant data delivery for MTN, Telecel, AirtelTigo. So to register an account with a platform, you just need to click on this Get Started over here. But if you already have an account, you can just click on this menu option and click on the login. Okay, you just click on this login and log into your account. Okay, but if you don't have an account yet and you want to register an account, you just click on this create account, or you just go back and just click on the get started. Okay, so let's get started and create an account with DataKasa, and let's start buying internet data from this platform. This platform has the very affordable and cheap internet data you can get here in Ghana. Okay, so let me enter my name. Okay, so I'm using Tech Hub as my full name, and I'll enter my email address. So let me enter my email address. I'll enter my phone number. Okay, then I'll enter my password, the password I'm using for the platform. Okay, so let me enter a simple password over here. Okay, so when I'm done entering all my details, I'll just click on create account, and this is done. Okay, so good afternoon, Tech Hub. I have registered an account with DataKasa, and this is how you can easily register an account with this platform to get the cheapest and affordable internet data here in Ghana. So if this video helped you to register an account with DataKasa, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.